Hi friends, it's Julia, and today is day number 3 of the Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit series that I'm doing this week. This is the layout that I'm starting with, and you can see it's a 12 by 12 and it calls for 2 photos. I don't have 2 photos to use, I just have one. So here is my photo, and I will cut that down to a 4 by 4. And these are the products that I pulled. I'll show you my paper first. These are the 2 that I have, the 2 primary ones, and then I pulled a scrap. I have this one that looks like that watercolor from that old paper stack. This one from the Hello Again by Echo Park, and then the opposite side was that polka dot one. I love this. This one was the opposite side of just the floral that I used on the last layout, and so I'm going to use that one. So there's the paper. Now, I've pulled in a ton of supplies. I pulled in the sticker sheets again because, well, you know, I might use something. I haven't used anything off this one so far, so my goal is to get at least some one thing off from that. I pulled in some washi stickers. I have my 2 different selections that I brought into this kit. I brought in this alphabet tile, the Lindsay chipboard alphabet from Felicity Jane. I've not used this one. I pulled these back in because I didn't use them the last time I had them pulled out. But because the sketch has what looks like a little shelf under the photos here, I thought this might work really well to do that. I pulled in some label stickers. Remember, I used the partial pack that I had. I used everything off that on my first layout, and these are what I have left, the duplicate of that. And then, of course, I pulled in my chipboard pieces, trying to get these used up. I do have a ton of other supplies over to the side. I have a lot of the Felicity Jane laid out here to use just in case. I have all of my enamel dots and all the other stuff to use. I just have to figure out what I want to do with this, how close to the sketch I want to follow, and yeah, then it will be done. So I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and I will be back in just a minute with the completed layout. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 3. So reminder, this is the sketch, and it did call for 2 photos and I only used 1, so there will be modifications. As far as pattern paper goes, this is what I had left over. I used the other couple of sheets that I had added in. I used my enamel dots, I used my puffy stickers, the heart puffy stickers, these epoxy hearts, and these epoxy hearts. I also used a couple more pieces of this chipboard. I am chipping away at it quite literally as we go along. I used a couple of label stickers here. I did use the hearts and then the border piece that was down here. I started to make my title Mom and Me, and then I didn't want to, so then I put it back. I just stuck it to the front of this. I'll put it back in there at some point. Washi strips, I didn't use any of these, but I did use one of these, and I did use 1 sticker. Whoop whoop. Alright, so here's the layout that I completed, and you can see I used those enamel pieces, some flatback pearl, or not flatback pearls, the enamel dots. I pulled in a tag from Felicity Jane. I had debated on using that little Lindsay sticker or girl die cut here, but I didn't. That is, there's a label sticker under there, and then the Dearest is one of the collection pieces that off the branding strip that I fussy cut out and just put it up there at the top. I used that 1 sticker that says You and Me equals good times. Put another label down here, put who's in the photo, where it was taken, and the year and month it was taken. And then this is from Felicity Jane as well. It's one of their die cut shapes with the title on it, or with the word on it, and so I made it into my title, Always You and Me equals good times. And then the chipboard hearts I used here, and then of course those puffy ones from that collection are there. Anyway guys, I will have close-ups of this layout at the end of the video, so make sure stay tuned for that, and I will see you tomorrow for the next layout in this series. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.